Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide that you can get on Amazon right now. It's all about making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. If you are watching this on YouTube, then go ahead and subscribe. You can hit the bell as well, that way you're notified every time I put a video out. So there's that. Now, if you are anything like me, you were shocked and awed by the fact that summer is pretty much over. I was in the shower this morning and I was like, what? For me, that means it's time for a new 10-piece wardrobe, and that's why I'm here to talk to you about the new 10-piece wardrobe. The first thing that I do when I'm contemplating my next 10-piece wardrobe is I look at the average high and low temperature of the next 3 months. Excuse me. So I just looked that up, and for Florida, I didn't do the math, but basically September highs and lows, it's going to range between 90 and 73, so still pretty warm. However, October will get to 85 and 66, starting to get cold, and November 79 and 58. Those are the highs and lows. So that is going to help me to determine what type of clothing I need in my next 10-piece wardrobe. The other thing is that the chances of rain is just going to diminish more and more. So I like to take into account the type of precipitation I'll be up against so that I know I have the clothing I need and I am prepared for it. So that is the first thing I do when I start contemplating my new 10-piece wardrobe. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the 10-piece wardrobe that I just curated for summer, and I'm going to make an honest evaluation. Granted, summer is kind of tricky because hot can be hot, humid can be humid, rain can be all out rain, and so sometimes we may be reaching for the same thing over and over again because of the weather. But I'm going to make an honest evaluation, and if there's something that's hanging in my closet right now for this 10-piece season of summer that I'm not loving, that I'm not feeling, that I never reached for or hardly did, then it's going to be a hard, you're out of my life. Meanwhile, what I will do is pack up the things I used for summer, and I'm going to hang it in another canvas bag. So far I will have 3 canvas bags because I started the 10-piece wardrobe journey in the winter. So I have a winter bag, a spring bag, and now I will have my summer. And going into fall, I'm going to maybe switch it up a little bit. I saw a woman walk by the other day and she was wearing tan shorts with a black sleeveless shirt, and it just looked super chic. And going into fall, I'm not opposed to tan and black, so I might be changing it up a little bit. So here's the thing, you have to get dressed every day, generally speaking. You might as well enjoy it. So if you walk into your closet and you're frustrated or you're overwhelmed, and in the back of your head you just wish you could get this thing together so that you could walk into your closet and feel joy and excitement instead of frustration and angst, then I highly, highly, highly recommend you try a 10-piece wardrobe. Now, I am going to go over into my private Facebook group, and I'm going to go through the steps that I go through every time I make a 10-piece wardrobe. And I will be following my process called How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love. So if you have not gotten that resource, it's in my link. If you're not in my group, it's in the link. Also, heads up, I'm going to do something super fun. September 13th through the 17th, I'm going to do a training in my private Facebook group about how to look your best on Zoom. Because Zoom is not going away. And let's start really rocking our Zoom presence. So I'm going to do 5 days challenge in the group, and we'll learn all about how to look our best on Zoom. So my group is called Positive and Professional Women Who Nest Pretty. If you just type in Nest Pretty, I come up, which is so cool. I hope that you join me over there, and I'm excited about starting another 10-piece wardrobe. I'm just saying, if you're wondering why I'm still talking about this, every week I'm talking about it, it's because it has brought me so much peace, so much joy, so much clarity, so much ease. I love getting dressed. I love that I don't think about getting dressed. I love that everything hanging in my closet is fantastic. I love that it all fits. I love that I know it looks great on me, so I don't even have to give it a second thought. All of those things are the added benefit of doing the work of curating a wardrobe you love. So I think I'm going to walk through this training on Friday. I'll do it on Friday, of how to curate a wardrobe you love, because I'm going to have to do some meditating and thinking about my next step, the tan and black. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you have any questions, raise your hand and ask me. And I hope you have a great night. Bye.